the south of Azerbaijan there is an amazing natural phenomenon, flammable water that ignites. The locals have nicknamed the amazing miracle Yaner Bulag, which means burning spring in Russian. The liquid burns if you bring a match to it. The flame bursts into flames and extinguishes in a couple of minutes. There's nothing fantastic about it. Scientists conducted a study and found that the chemical composition of the spring contains a huge amount of sulfur. Thanks to it, the liquid is ignited even in a natural way. For example, on particularly hot days, when the thermometer rises above 40 degrees Celsius, you can see a slight burning on the water surface. The unique spring is protected by the state. Local residents say that the unique properties of the combustible liquid, water, were first discovered in the mid-70s of the 20th century. It was then that a group of geologists paid a visit to Azerbaijan, who were interested in the origin and level of underground springs. They discovered that there were several springs running underground in the territory of Archivan settlement. To confirm their hunch and to increase the amount of potable water available in the region, the geologists dug a well almost 100 meters deep. Their calculations turned out to be correct. A spring of life-giving water gushed forth from the soft soil. No sooner had the locals rejoiced at the new spring than they began to notice its extraordinary properties. Many noticed that under the scorching rays of the sun in summer, the water begins to ignite. To confirm the conjectures, someone decided to set fire to the spring with simple matches. The experiment was a success. Dancing tongues of red and blue flames appeared on the water surface. Since then, the spring has been called Yaner Bulag, as it is called to this day. The jets of water that gush out of the spring as a result of underground pressure often reach 5 to 8 meters. Despite its ability to ignite, the water in the unique spring is quite suitable for drinking. Locals use it to their utmost extent for cooking, making tea, coffee, and simply to quench one's thirst. Moreover, you can drink the water even when there are flames burning on the surface. It will not cause any harm to the organism even when burning. Of course, you must take precautions not to get burned. Another feature of the spring is that it never dries up. Even the driest, hot weeks in Azerbaijan, during which other springs dry up, are not terrible for Yaner Bulag. It continues to delight residents and tourists with a slender fountain or unhurried gurgling. The combustible spring contains a lot of useful, easily digestible minerals. Studies have proven that water from Yaner Bulag helps prevent gastrointestinal diseases or alleviate their symptoms, improve digestion, and improve overall health. Even Azerbaijani doctors often recommend their patients to consume the magic liquid for the prevention and treatment of gastrointestinal diseases. Sulfur-rich water also helps in the fight against skin rashes, acne, blackheads, and black spots.